If you're feeling anxious or stressed, I'm going to show you a point that is really lovely for relieving that sense of anxiety, particularly when you get the fullness or congestion in the upper part of the body as a result of feeling anxious or stressed out. So if you're getting palpitations, if you're not able to take a deep breath, if you're feeling contracted because you've been literally sitting like this all of the time, this is a lovely point for you. It's also a really great point for travel sickness, not that you're going anywhere, but great for morning sickness as well. It's great for nausea in general, so you actually might know the point already if you've ever used a travel sickness band. So it's 3 fingers down from the wrist crease. So find your wrist crease, take your 3 middle fingers, and then just below that 3rd finger, you can take your little finger right into the center of your forearm. And you'll feel an artery there. So press into the artery. It's kind of like 2 lines either side, and you want to press into the center of the 2 artery lines. Can you feel that? Okay, so once you've found it, just relax your arms down. You can use the weight of your active arm just to drop down into the point. It's important for this particular point to really focus on what you're doing. If you're feeling anxious and stressed, then the mind is going to be really busy. So that's fine. It's normal. Don't get annoyed with yourself if you start thinking about what's stressing you out. Just use the breath as a tool to relax your brain. So look at the point or close the eyes, relax your shoulders, and then take a big breath in. If you can, through your nose. If you can't, through your mouth. And then breathe out. Big sighing breath out through the mouth or the nose. Relax the shoulders, relax your body. Keep pressing into that point. And again, big breath in. Big breath out. So continue these big breaths. You might start to feel a bit of heat or a kind of static electric feeling under your thumb. You might not feel anything other than the physical pressure, and that's okay. Just feel into the physicality of pressing your thumb into your arm. If you've ever felt really stressed in an interview or you're having a big emotional breakup conversation, you might have found yourself almost pinching yourself or massaging into your hands or this area itself. And it's a nice way to come back to the physical body when the emotions or the mental aspect of your body is getting a bit fraught. So again, come back to the physical sensation of touch. Take another deep breath in and another deep breath out. Let's find it on the other side, just to be sure. So find your wrist crease, 3 fingers down from the wrist crease. Take your little finger down, find the artery, press into it, and then let your arms relax. Either close your eyes or look down at the point. Relax your body and breathe into the chest. See if you can breathe into the sides of your ribs. So again, this point is great for morning sickness, travel sickness, any kind of nausea in general, when you're feeling stressed, when you're feeling anxious, or when you're just feeling really congested in the upper part of your body. Deep breaths and focus of the mind are also really great techniques for calming the mind. Spend as long as you like pressing into both of these sides and let me know how you get on.